What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time on here, please go ahead, like and share and subscribe, guys. We're putting out some good information over here, okay? This video I'm just gonna talk about drivetrain malfunction, because this car is doing that right now. It was doing it before, and I replaced the spark plug ignition coil and it go away, right? I was drive it for like about a week. After that, it's overheat. I have to replace the fan, buy a brand new fan, because the fan was bad. Replace that. It's running fine. I bleed the coolant system already because I pour in fresh coolant, drain out the old coolant, pour in fresh coolant, bleed the system. It's running fine, but the drivetrain malfunction lights start to pop back up, and when it pop up, the temperature gauge, if you drive it for like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, the temperature gauge sometimes is down by the zero. It's not up in the half range, somewhere there. You know what I mean? But if you turn it off and turn it on back, then the gauge will go up. So it's fluctuating, it's not reading correctly. And I think what's causing that, I think we have some air bubbles in the system, the coolant system. So what I want to do this morning, it's freezing cold out here. What I want to do this morning, I want to go ahead and bleed the system again and see what's going to happen after that. If the temperature gauge going to start go up, you know, like work correctly. You know what I mean? I'm going to take it for a drive and all that, so I will show you guys what's going on with that. But right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and bleed this coolant system. I have the jump box connected out there, and the terminals in the... So you just turn on the ignition, you're not going to start the car. Switch the ignition on. You know what I mean? This, you want to have this on the lowest setting over here. These here, have it on the lowest setting, but you want to have it on high. And max, you know what I mean? Press that button there. And then you're going to hold on the exhale for like 15 seconds. So you hold on the exhale, press it all the way down to the floor. And hold it down. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but we need more coolant in here. Okay guys, so it's been like 12 minutes now. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. So go ahead and start it up. See what's gonna happen here. I'm gonna take it for a drive to and all that, but and just watch and see what's going on. Make sure the heat is working and all that. So we're gonna keep it running. But just gonna make it run, warm up, then I'm gonna take it for a test drive and watch the gauge on the dash and see what it's doing. Okay guys, so I'm watching the temperature gauge here. Still cold and all that, so I'm gonna take it for a drive real quick. See if we can build up the temperature and all that. Alright. Okay guys, so as you guys can see the gauge is going up. Alright, and the heat is working and all that. That's what I want. That's what you want to see when you work on your coolant system. Heat is working and all that. That gauge is going up now. It's not sitting down on the 140 there. So I think everything should be good, but I'm just going to continue to drive it around and see how it's performing, you know. And the drivetrain message doesn't pop up back in here, you know what I mean? So I think that's what was causing it. The drivetrain message is just because of this coolant system. One thing about these 7 Series, guys, they're pretty fast, but you have to be careful, especially in the, you know, like when the road is wet in the winter time and stuff. It will slide, it will spin around, you know what I mean? Yeah, I know it's rear wheel drive. This is a twin turbo V8 N63 Li, so it's a rear wheel drive, you know. So you have to be careful, it will spin around with you. You know what I mean? Yeah. So yes guys, if it's your first time on the channel, please go ahead, like, share and subscribe. You know, we have a lot of good information putting out over here, you know what I mean? Yeah. You know, BMW is good right now. I've been driving it for like 35 minutes now and it's good. You don't have no problem. So if it's the first time on the channel, go ahead, like, share and subscribe guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.